Hey there, AI developers. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the full potential of the Deepseek AI Chatbot. Deepseek AI is a powerful tool designed for seamless human-AI interactions. Whether you're developing customer support bots or experimenting with conversational AI, Deepseek AI has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to log into your Deepseek AI dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Setting one up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface with all your projects listed on the main screen. To create a new chatbot, click on the Create New Bot button. Here, you'll have the option to choose from various templates like customer support, sales assistant, or even a custom bot. Let's pick customer support for this example. Next, you'll enter the bot configuration page. Give your bot a name and specify the industry it will operate in. Deepseek AI uses this information to tailor responses that are industry-specific, making your bot sound more natural and knowledgeable. On the conversation flow page, you can design how your bot will interact with users. It's as simple as dragging and dropping different dialogue nodes. You can set up greetings, FAQs, and even complex decision trees, all without writing a single line of code. But what if you need something more advanced? No problem. Deepseek AI supports custom scripting. Just click on the Advanced Settings tab, and you can write scripts in Python or JavaScript to add unique functionalities. One of the coolest features is the real-time analytics dashboard. Here you can monitor your bot's performance, track user interactions, and get insights into how well your bot is handling conversations. This data is invaluable for making continuous improvements. For those of you looking to integrate the bot into your existing platforms, Deepseek AI provides robust API support. Whether it's a website, mobile app, or social media platform, you can easily integrate your bot and start engaging with users instantly. To wrap things up, Deepseek AI is versatile, user-friendly, and powerful. It's designed to make your life easier as an AI developer, enabling you to build, deploy, and optimize conversational bots with ease. So, go ahead, give it a try and see how Deepseek AI can revolutionize your AI projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more AI tips and tutorials. Happy coding!